All right, this is part 2 on how to open your crown chakra. In this tapping, we are going to focus on feeling safe to receive signs from the universe, opening ourselves to receive signs from the universe, and feeling safe to be connected to our angels, our guides, and our higher self. Whenever you're ready, let's start tapping. We're going to start on the side of the hand. I feel really disconnected from the universe. Disconnected from my angels, guides, and higher self. I'm struggling to receive their messages. Or maybe they're not sending me any messages. Because my crown chakra is blocked. I can feel it. Even though my crown chakra is so blocked, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I'm feeling disconnected from the universe, I love and accept myself deeply. All right, now we're going to start tapping through the points. I feel stuck. My crown chakra is blocked. I cannot receive guidance from the universe. I cannot hear my guides, my angels, and my higher self. And that is so frustrating. That makes me feel alone. I want to tap into infinite wisdom, but I don't know where to start. And I don't know if I can. Is it possible for me to connect with my guardian angels, with my spirit guides and my higher self? Do I even have spirit guides and angels watching over me? I feel like they only care about other people. People who have grand purposes in life. And that's not me. Who am I? Even though I'm feeling all of these doubts, I love and accept myself. And I'm learning to open myself up to receive divine guidance. Because I don't have to be perfect to receive signs from the universe. My guides and angels and higher self love me unconditionally. And of course I have guides and angels. Everybody does. And I'm open to experiencing their guidance. I release any blockages in my crown chakra. It's safe to receive guidance from the universe. It's safe to connect with my angels, my guides, and my higher self. Maybe I have some fears about connecting with my spirit team. What if it's not safe to open my crown chakra? What if I start seeing spirits everywhere? Maybe this is holding me back from actually connecting to spirit. But I trust my higher self and the universe. I know I'm ready to receive guidance from spirit. I release any fears I'm holding on to that is blocking me from connecting with my spirit team. I'm ready to connect with my higher self. I'm ready to connect with my guides and my angels. I am open to their divine guidance and support. I trust and acknowledge my spirit team. I know they have been waiting for this day. The day I welcome them into my life. I am one with the universe. And I am one with my higher self. And that's it. You can do this tapping as many times as you'd like until you feel comfortable to receive signs from the universe and that there are no blocks there that's stopping you from listening to them, hearing them, seeing them, not seeing them physically. So don't worry, because I'm scared of stuff like that too. But seeing them in your third eye. If you haven't done the third eye tapping, check out the video before this. Thank you so much for tapping along with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.